No worker should develop a life-altering lung disease because their employer didn't know the risk was there. At Anitech, we exist to make sure that never happens. Here is exactly how we do it. Step 1. Site assessment. Our occupational hygienist arrives at your workplace and conducts a thorough walkthrough to identify every task and area where silica-containing materials are used, cut, drilled, or ground. Because you cannot protect against a risk you haven't found. Step 2. Air sampling. We set up calibrated personal and area air sampling pumps to collect respirable dust samples during normal work activities, across all high-risk tasks and zones. Real conditions. Real data. Step 3. Laboratory analysis. Collected samples are sent to an accredited laboratory. Results are measured against the Australian Workplace Exposure Standard of 0.05 milligrams per cubic metre for respirable crystalline silica. Step 4. Data analysis and reporting. We analyse the results and prepare a detailed report outlining exposure levels, areas of concern, and whether current controls are adequate under Australian WHS law. No jargon. Just clear, actionable findings. Step 5. Recommendations and controls. We provide practical, site-specific solutions, from on-tool extraction and wet cutting, to administrative controls, respiratory protective equipment, and worker training tailored to your site. Step 6. Health surveillance. We offer on-site health surveillance including lung function testing and chest X-ray referrals, to detect early signs of silicosis and give your workers the best chance of protecting their long-term health. Every step of this process exists because we believe workers' lives matter more than cutting corners. Contact Anitech today at anitechgroup.com to book your silica dust assessment.